Hello, kindergarten friends, and welcome back to another fine arts lesson in my home music and drama studio. I'm so glad that you can join me once again. And, oh, I'm hearing something. Ah, Mrs. Bird, it's so nice to see you. Let's start warming up our voices with the help of Mrs. Bird. All right, you know how to do this. When Miss Bird is low, our voices go low. When she goes high, you're gonna go high. Ready? Fly back, Mrs. Bird. Mrs. Bird, can you fly a little bit faster? Let's try it again faster. Ready? What's that? Mrs. Bird can also fly slow. All right, Mrs. Bird, let's have you fly to this branch. Ready? Make your voice go where Mrs. Bird goes. Ooh. Tweet, 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 tweet. Great. Oh, Mrs. Bird has an idea for today's lesson. She would like us to sing about spring because something amazing happens for the earth in spring, but something especially amazing for her. All right, so what are we going to start with, Mrs. Bird? Which song? Oh, she would like us to start with Rain on the Green Grass. Do you remember how that song goes? Let's see. There's been a lot of rain lately because it's springtime, and that helps many things grow. Okay, here we go. Ready? Let's put our hands up. Rain on the green grass, rain on the trees, rain on the rooftop, but not on me. Do you remember that? Mrs. Bird asked if we can sing it a little bit faster. All right, let's try it, okay? Not too fast though. Here, ready, steady, here we go. Rain on the green grass, rain on the trees, rain on the rooftop, but not on me. A little bit faster? Oh, okay. Take a deep breath. Let's try it. Ready? Ready, steady, here we go. Rain on the green grass, rain on the trees, rain on the rooftop, but not on me. Great job. Mrs. Bird has a friend here. Okay, go get your friend, Mrs. Bird. Ooh. Hi, Pete the pig, how are you? Pete the pig heard about our lesson from last week, didn't you? Yeah, last week's lesson was all about being funny. So I saw lots of friends send in videos about different characters. I saw Emma as Sparkles the kitten, and I saw Teddy as Dr. Einstein. I also saw Annalise play with her Winnie the Pooh dolls. That was so fun. So we're gonna sing our song now that I've got my silly ears on. Boom, boom, ain't it great to be funny? Ready? Let's practice that. It goes like this. Boom, boom, ain't it great to be funny? Boom, boom, ain't it great to be funny? Silly and foolish all day long. Boom, boom, ain't it great to be funny? Ready? One more time, a little bit faster. Ready, a little bit higher too. Ready, steady, here we go. Boom, boom, ain't it great to be funny? Boom, boom, ain't it great to be funny? Silly and foolish all day long. Boom, boom, ain't it great to be funny? Okay. Hey, how many of you have seen some bunny rabbits outside during springtime? I know I have. My dog Lucky, whenever I take her on a walk and she sees a bunny, she gets really excited and I have to hold her really firmly so she doesn't run away. Okay, we are going to be learning a new poem now. It's all about, can you see in my hand? Seeds. How many of you have a garden in your yard or know somebody who does? Yeah, lots of people around me have gardens. We have a small one at our house, and after we learn our poem, we're gonna go outside and explore some things around my neighborhood. But first, we're going to learn a poem called 5 Little Seeds. Okay, let's start learning 5 little seeds. First, I'm gonna say the poem, and you're gonna repeat back when I go like this. And after we do that, we're gonna learn some movement to go with the poem. All right, ready? Here I go. 5 little seeds. 5 little seeds. Your turn. Little seeds. 5 little seeds. 3 will make flowers and 2 will make weeds. And 2 will make weeds. Under the leaves and under the snow, under the leaves and under the snow, 5 little seeds are waiting to grow. 5 little seeds are waiting to grow. Out comes the sun, down comes the showers. Out comes the sun, down comes the showers. And up come the 3 pretty pink flowers, and up come the 3 pretty pink flowers. Out comes the sun that every plant needs. Out comes the sun that every plant needs. And up come 2 funny old weeds. And up come 2 funny old weeds. Good for you, you're trying something new. Did I hear the word funny in there? What were funny in the song? That's right, weeds. Do you think that weeds are funny? Do people who keep a garden think that weeds are funny? Maybe some. I know some people who get frustrated when they see all the weeds popping up, but that's part of keeping a garden. All right, let's learn the actions to the song. It goes like this. 5 little seeds. 5 little seeds. Let's do it. Ready? 5 little seeds. 5 little seeds. 3 will make flowers. Ready? Try it with me. 3 will make flowers, and 2 will make weeds. And 2 will make weeds. Under the leaves and under the snow. Your turn, ready? Under the leaves and under the snow, 5 little seeds are waiting to grow. 5 little seeds are waiting to grow. Out comes the sun and down comes the showers. Ready? Out comes the sun and down comes the showers, and up come the 3 pretty pink flowers, and up come the 3 pretty pink flowers. Out comes the sun that every plant needs. Ready? Out comes the sun that every plant needs, and up come 2 funny old weeds, and up come 2 funny old weeds. Good job. Okay, friends, so in just a moment, we're going to go outside and see some things in nature. I am out near a pond. I hear lots of beautiful birds. There are flowers. And there's a mama robin over there. She doesn't want me here though because I'm very close to her nest. My son Marcus found out where her babies are. I'm going to go slowly and gently and look inside the nest. Can you see? Deep in the nest is where the babies are. Quietly sleeping, waiting for Mama Bird to come. I'm going to step away so Mama Bird can come back and take care of her babies waiting in the nest for her. I'm looking at another part of the pond, and I understand that deep inside are bullfrogs. I also hear the buzzing of insects. And some people riding their bikes. Wasn't that cool, seeing the nest? Did you see the baby birds inside? I also wonder where the bullfrogs were hiding. Well, now we're going to sing a song about the mama bird and her babies. I'm going to sing the song first, and then I'm going to invite you to join me. It goes like this. I have heard a mother bird singing in the rain, telling all her little ones spring has come again. Okay, ready? I'm going to sing a verse and then it's going to be your turn, okay? I'm going to pat the beat while we're saying it. Okay, you can pat the beat with me on your shoulders. It goes like this. I have heard a mother bird. Your turn. I have heard a mother bird singing in the rain, singing in the rain, telling all her little ones, telling all her little ones, spring has come again, spring has come again. I wonder what the baby birds would say to their mom if they could. I wonder how the mama bird felt when I was close to her nest. Yeah, she probably was afraid I was going to hurt her babies. Yeah, maybe she felt angry. Okay, great job, friends. So friends, now it's your turn. For the very last part of our lesson, I'm going to invite you and someone in your family to go outside. You're going to find a quiet spot to sit. And if it's raining, maybe you want to take an umbrella and just go for a little walk. Take a deep breath, and if you're sitting, you can close your eyes and just listen. Musicians and artists have to practice their listening skills. You're going to listen to all the sounds of nature, and then someone in your family can ask you these 3 questions. What's something that you hear? And then what is something that you think about when you're hearing that sound? And what is something that you wonder? So for example, if I were to actually hear the bullfrogs, I might think, boy, their voices sound really funny. And then I might wonder, I wonder how far away they are from me. I wonder how big they are. I wonder what they're eating. Okay? So, go out into nature and take in all the sounds and also the stillness. And I'd love to hear one thing that you heard and what you thought about what you heard and something you wondered about the sound. All right, friends, have a wonderful week. Enjoy nature, and I'll see you again for another fine arts lesson.